Hello Aries, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for August the 19th to August the 21st reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No? Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. So Aries, kung hindi nyo po maabutan yung live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. No? So Aries, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Simulan na natin. Aries, ang nakikita natin dito parang um, meron tayong gustong ma-experience, pero kumbaga nauna na itong imagination, and dun sa ating imagination, meron kang na-set na date, no? Siguro, um, I'm going to give an example, no? For a few numbers of you, baka you might be expecting that your person's going to ask you for a date, no? On this specific date. Let's say, last August the 15th, but it didn't happen. No, I don't know why I chose the August the 15th or August the 17th, no, but it didn't happen. So parang ang feeling natin dito, masakit pero I'm still hoping. Medyo nagtatampo ako kasi parang you prepared for it. You prepared for that event, no? Siguro nagpakulay pa tayo ng buhok, no? Nagpa-extensions pa tayo ng ating pilikmatan, ng ating kuko, what have you. Bumili tayo ng bagong damit, no? But it didn't happen. I'm not limiting it to that specific event, ha? Dun sa date, no? Pero parang sa'yo, I'm still hoping that this is still going to pursue, no? This is still going to manifest. It could be, na-pause itong connection, no? Ang ganda na ng flow eh, kaso na-pause. So, medyo nadismaya tayo sa mga pauses, no? With the Lovers and the Six of Pentacles. So, Six of Pentacles is actually a double-edged card. Kung meron double-edged sword, this is a double-edged card. It's either we are getting what we deserve or we are not getting what we deserve. No? Kasi the Six of Pentacles be, might signify a transaction. So this is what I am paying and this is what I am getting. So that's transaction. So this is what I am emitting and this is what I am getting. No, or we might be having these breadcrumbs. No, and I believe because of the um oracle card, or oracle cards, we probably encountered na breadcrumbs tayo. No, uh, the mere fact that we prepared for something and it didn't happen, and there might be some promises that it is going to happen or a promises that it is going to pursue but it didn't, nakakadismaya nga naman na with the Ace of Wands, and the Strength card. Hindi mo lang sinasabi pero deep inside medyo nainis tayo. Hindi mo lang din sinasabi pero medyo we're still hoping like what I mentioned. Naku, yung iba nga dito baka nag-ano pa, no? Nag-shave pa, ng bigote sa mga lalaki, no? Nag-shave ng legs sa mga babae. Ewan ko kung saan shave yung gusto nyo. I don't wanna go there and I don't wanna see kung ano itong sinishave ninyo, no? With the Nine of Wands and the Five of Pentacles. So let's say, nandun pa rin yung enthusiasm, pero hindi na siya ganun kasaya kasi you have an expected date. Nawala yung excitement ba? Yun ba yung gusto mong iparating na, okay, I might still gonna accept that, but it's not that happy anymore. I'm not too enthusiastic to feel it. But there's something in here that you might going to fake, no? Just ganun mo kamahal ang person, no? Parang kahit hindi ka masaya, meron ka ditong, you're hindi ko sinasabing pina-plastic, no? Because you don't want to hurt your person, so you might gonna pretend that, oh, I'm having fun. Is it, no? Kasi there's a valid card in here, so I'm much better to discuss this, and we're all adults, no? So parang, these readings, by the way, don't worry, hindi po siya cannot be seen by everyone. So this is restricted to 18 years old and above, all right? Um what I am seeing in here is more of baka yung iba sa inyo, no, hindi natuwa doon sa, let's say, yung iba na nagfe-fake na lang ng orgasm, 'di ba? So parang, yeah, you're making love. So merong ungol-ungol, merong mga ganyan-ganyan, no, na um haplos-haplos, no, pero deep inside you're faking it already kasi hindi ka na ganun nakasaya. With the Four of Pentacles in here, what I am actually seeing is more of, with the Four of Pentacles, more of, sabihin natin, you're imagining things and you're keeping it to yourself. Um, you could be imagining of, hopefully not someone else, but with the Empress and the Nine of Cups. Um, or probably you're imagining na ibalik itong saya, no? And you want that to happen as well. Whatever yung na-postpone na ito, kung ano man ito expectations, no, na-postpone, I believe that it is still gonna show up whether you like it or you don't. Ayan. So kung gustuhin mo man or ayaw mo, ayan, wala kang no choice. Kung hindi mangyayari siya, well, at one point in time, no, sinabi naman natin na I want it to happen. Yun nga lang, when it showed up, it might probably a little too late. So is it? I don't know. Probably the message here is your wish is my command, sabi ni universe. You manifested this, better late than never, so here it is, no? I dream about you at night and I don't want to wait any longer, please be mine. So, is it? Um, Nagbago na nga ba itong emotion natin kay person? We are not that truly happy? Let me know, Aries, no? So let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Sagittarius, Taurus, Pisces, Virgo, Capricorn, Leo, Gemini. No, so this is your reading. Aries, again, for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po'y nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions. Doon po yan sa ating kabilang channel. So, kung hindi niyo po maabutan, no, pwede naman po kayo mag-comment dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Alright? So, Aries, kilalang-kilala niyo yung sarili ninyo, no? So, alam niyo po na hindi kayo masisatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, so dumiretso na kayo dun sa ating website, no? Sa description box, there's a link to my website. Click that link. You're gonna be routed to the website. Bubungad po agad sa inyo yung question form. Now, sa baba po ng question form, nandun po yung how much per reading, the name, the number, QR codes for your reference. I also created, may isang QR code doon, no, na 4 questions plus 1, so take advantage of it. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po sa QR code. So, explore, no, the website. And Aries, tuloy pa rin ang ating manhunt. So, click those or report those fake accounts, no? And screenshot send it to the designated email. Ayan. And kapag nagapi po natin yan, so I'm going to pick a winner for a free reading kung hindi naman po kayo nagmamadali na mag-join kayo ng ating raffle. Kung hinahanap ninyo po itong X-Files, itong mga readings about exes, nandun po siya sa Facebook, no? That's Babaylan TV. Anyway, pag clinic nyo naman itong link ng website ko, makikita nyo yung mga icons ng social media accounts, no? Click nyo lang yon, mararoute kayo kung anong social media account yung gusto ninyong puntahan. So this is your reading. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye, Aries.